What would you do if you had an extra $1,000 by this time next week? Imagine the possibilities: paying off a debt, saving for a dream vacation, or finally starting that business you've always envisioned. But here's the big question. Do you believe you can manifest that kind of money in just 7 days? Well, today I'm here to show you that it's not just possible, but achievable. In this video, I'll guide you through a powerful, step-by-step process that has worked for so many people to attract financial abundance into their lives. Whether you're new to manifestation or have been practicing it for years, these techniques can bring tangible results. So, stay with me till the end, because your journey to financial abundance starts now. Let me start by sharing a story about a friend of mine. Let's call her Sarah. Just a few months ago, Sarah was struggling financially. She had credit card debt piling up and was feeling completely stuck. But she decided to give manifestation a try, even though she wasn't completely convinced it would work. She started small by setting a clear financial goal to manifest an extra $500 within 7 days. Every morning, she spent just 5 minutes visualizing herself receiving that money. She imagined it in her bank account, visualized paying her bills, and most importantly, felt gratitude as though it had already happened. On the 3rd day, she unexpectedly received a freelance opportunity through a friend, and by the end of the week she had earned $600. Sarah was stunned. But here's the truth. It wasn't magic, it was alignment, intention, and belief. This story highlights something essential. Manifestation is not about luck or coincidence. It's about creating the conditions that allow good things to flow into your life. When you intentionally focus on your goals, take inspired action, and believe in your ability to succeed, you're tapping into a powerful force of attraction. Sarah's success is a testament to how small, consistent practices can lead to big results, and this can work for anyone, including you. Before we dive into the exact steps, let's talk briefly about what manifestation really is. At its core, manifestation is the practice of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions to attract what you desire. It's not about wishful thinking or snapping your fingers to make money appear. Instead, it's about focusing your energy on a specific outcome, creating the belief that it's possible, and taking inspired action. The key is consistency. This isn't a one-time effort, it's a daily practice. Remember, your mind is incredibly powerful. The thoughts and beliefs you hold influence the energy you emit, and this energy attracts similar frequencies into your life. So, if you're thinking about lack or worry, you're more likely to attract more lack and worry. But if you shift your mindset to abundance and gratitude, you'll be surprised at what unfolds. Let's take a moment to address a common misconception. Manifestation isn't just about thinking positively. While positive thinking is a part of the process, it's equally important to address underlying doubts and fears. These hidden blocks can sabotage your efforts. That's why identifying and replacing limiting beliefs is a crucial step. When you're clear, confident, and intentional, you'll notice a shift in your energy, and the results will follow. It's also important to understand the role of timing in manifestation. While some goals may materialize quickly, others might take weeks or even months. This isn't a sign of failure, it's simply the universe aligning the right circumstances for your goal. Trust that the process is working, even if you don't see immediate results. Consistency and patience are your greatest allies. Now let's break this down into a simple 7-day plan that you can follow starting today. Get ready to take notes because each day builds on the last, and together, they create a powerful momentum for manifesting money. Day 1. Set a clear financial goal. On the first day, decide exactly how much money you want to manifest. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want more money," say, "I want to manifest $500. Write it down, and think about why you want this money. Is it to pay a bill, buy something meaningful, or save for the future? When you attach a purpose to your goal, it becomes more tangible and motivating. Think about how you'll feel when you achieve it. Let that feeling fuel your motivation. Additionally, create a visual reminder of your goal. This could be a sticky note on your desk or a picture of what you plan to use the money for. Keeping your goal visible helps reinforce your focus. Day 2, reprogram your money mindset. Today, focus on identifying and replacing any negative beliefs you have about money. For example, if you find yourself thinking, "I'll never have enough money," replace it with a positive affirmation like, "I am a magnet for financial abundance." Write down 3 affirmations and repeat them throughout the day. If doubts creep in, remind yourself that your current situation is temporary and you have the power to change it. Take a moment to reflect on any past successes with money, no matter how small. Reminding yourself of times when money flowed easily into your life can help solidify your belief in your ability to attract it again. Day 3. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a game changer. Spend a few minutes in the morning listing 3 things you're grateful for, specifically related to your finances. It could be as simple as being thankful for the money you already have or the opportunities that allow you to earn. You might even thank the universe in advance for the money you're manifesting. This practice not only shifts your focus to abundance but also raises your vibrational energy. Consider starting a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things every day. Over time, this becomes a powerful record of positivity and progress. Day 4. Visualize receiving the money. Close your eyes and visualize yourself receiving the exact amount of money you've set as your goal. Imagine what it feels like to hold it, see it in your bank account, or spend it on something you need or want. The key is to feel the emotions of having it now. Picture the relief, excitement, or joy as vividly as you can. The more real it feels, the stronger your manifestation will be. Enhance your visualization by incorporating physical actions. For example, if you're manifesting money to pay off a bill, pretend to write a check or see yourself hitting the Pay Now button online. Day 5. Take inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about thoughts, it's about actions too. Today, ask yourself, what small step can I take to align with my goal? It could be applying for a side gig, offering a service, or reaching out to a friend for advice. Trust your intuition. Sometimes the simplest actions can open unexpected doors. Remember, the universe works through you, not just for you. Document your actions each day and reflect on how they're bringing you closer to your goal. Even the smallest step forward counts. Day 6. Acknowledge signs of progress. Start looking for small signs that your manifestation is working. Maybe you find $1 on the ground, get a discount on a purchase, or receive unexpected good news. These are signs that abundance is flowing into your life. Celebrate them. Acknowledging these signs reinforces your belief and keeps your energy aligned with your goal. Share your wins with someone you trust or write them down. This not only solidifies the experience but also creates a sense of momentum and excitement. Day 7. Reflect and celebrate. On the final day, reflect on your progress. Even if you didn't manifest the exact amount, notice the shifts in your mindset and energy. Celebrate every small win and set intentions to continue the practice. Manifestation is a journey, not a destination. Gratitude and reflection not only close this cycle but also prepare you for the next. Use this day to plan your next goal. What's the next step in your financial journey? Keep the momentum going by setting a new intention and repeating the process. Now you might be thinking, what if it doesn't work? That's completely normal. Many people struggle with doubt, impatience, or negative thoughts during the process. Here's how to handle these challenges. Doubt. Remind yourself why you started. Reread your goals and affirmations. Visualize the end result and reconnect with the emotions of success. Impatience. Trust the process. Manifestation takes time, and the universe has its own timing. Focus on the progress you've made rather than the distance you still have to go. Negative thoughts. When these arise, gently redirect your focus to gratitude and abundance. Remember, it's okay to have doubts, but don't dwell on them. Shift your energy back to positivity as soon as you can. Manifestation is not about perfection, it's about persistence. Even small daily actions can lead to big results. And if you stay consistent, the breakthroughs you're seeking will come. Remember, the process is as important as the outcome. Each step builds your confidence and reinforces your ability to create the life you desire. You now have the tools to start manifesting money in just 7 days. Are you ready to take the first step? Start today by setting your goal and committing to this process. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable manifestation tips. Share your progress in the comments. I'd love to hear how this works for you. Remember, financial abundance is within your reach. You just have to believe it. See you in the next video, and happy manifesting.